Here's how to take your awesome holiday hunt and turn it into a fantastic provider holiday meal.
So right here in Chico, Texas, if it weren't for Zach Fusilier and his son, Lachlan spotted the black buck. Because of these guys, we've got dinner tonight, black buck, and it's around the holidays, so why not use what you have? We got stuffing, right? We've got gravy. Now we've got black buck. So we're gonna pound it out and make black buck rouladen. Stick around, it's gonna be amazing.
Cut your wild game back straps into strips, pound it out.
Once you have your meat pounded out, you just slice thin pickle spears. That's the key to rouladen. Take your pounded out meat, place a pickle spear in it, grab a little of that leftover stuffing, place it next to it, and roll it up into a little log.
Dust your logs with your favorite provider spice. I love Drop Time.
Next, heat up a skillet and add some Napa Valley olive oil. Once your oil's hot, add your rouladen seam side down. Remember, it's wild game, so don't overcook it. Now it's time for the finishing touch. Just drizzle your gravy right over the top.
That is good.
Oh man, was that yummy!